Introducing the 2026 Peugeot 3008 STD EGT 73 kW boot H210 B horsepower MY25 in stunning blue. With only 3,000 kilometers on the clock, this 2-litre engine beauty is loaded with top-of-the-line features for your comfort and safety. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation, this car has it all. Plus, with security features like a 360 view camera and anti-collision system, you can drive with peace of mind. Not to mention the stylish interior and privacy glass for added sophistication. Rest assured, this vehicle has had a full multi-point health and safety check, comes with a warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Call us now or visit our website, Joe Norris Motors, Guy IE, for more details.